Alright guys, today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new reptile I just picked up. I picked up a new... Let me just go get it. So right here guys, we got a rare species of lizard. Never seen before. I'm the only one in the United States with one of these. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Just your average bearded dragon. I wouldn't say average, actually. So, let me try to remember the genes in this. So, it was orange, red, translucent, I believe. I'm not good and familiar with my morphs and bearded dragons, but that's what my friend told me he was. But yeah guys, I never thought million, thousand, seconds, days,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
that I ever will own one of these guys. I thought I was too special, you know? I mean, I do have some average pet snakes, you would say, and average pet animals here, period. But I try to stay with strictly what I enjoy and what I like. I'm not trying to be a person that's a collector of everything. So I am going to be trying to do programs. I did a few parties already, and I know this guy would work out perfect for that. So that was another reason. And a friend, she needed a rehome, and she wanted it to go to a good home. And this is all I do, is my animals. But yeah. And this is, this is probably the last of the few pickups I'm going to get. I'm going to really slow it down now, because you want to get what you can control and have. You don't want to get too much, guys. This says the person that has all these animals. But you can tell the bearded dragons, they just chill like this. That's what one positive for them. So let's see if you just hang out right here. Let's see. Look at that. And their claws are nearly not as sharp as like the monitor lizard that I have over there, Mango, with those long talon nails, digs into your arms. This guy's just hanging out. That's what I expected. It's pretty warm in here too. I should have cracked the window more. Why am I telling you guys that?
We do not care.
But anyway, yeah, so I got a bearded dragon now, guys. This guy does have a name, and I gotta remember it. It's Rango, which doesn't make sense because I don't know why she named it Rango. Because Rango, I think in the movie, is a chameleon. Yeah, I gotta ask her about that one. But yeah, so this is Rango, the bearded dragon, guys. I think you'll see him a lot more in my videos because he's just hanging out, you know? I think he'll be a cool hang around pet, you know. He does easy to take out and just chill with. I highly recommend these guys now. I never thought I'd recommend them whatsoever, but I don't have too many lizards. I try to stay away from having too many lizards because the upkeep of these guys. That's one thing I found out. This guy loves food and wants to eat quite often, but I try to restrict him because I know they can't be obese, so I try to restrict how much I give to him and all that. So, and I do give him his greens. They do require dark greens, which on the top of my head I can't give you guys a list, but I know collard greens is the one I do feed to him. Alright guys, this weekend I'll also be in a Reptile Super Show in Anaheim. Get out of here, fly. Get! Alright. This Saturday in Anaheim, across the street from Disneyland, I think they said. I'm not sure, but I'll be at the Reptile Super Show on Saturday, and then Sunday's my birthday, so that's just gonna be an exciting weekend. But yeah guys, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick video. I always say quick video. Why do I always say that? These videos always come out to be more than quick. I don't know. But yeah guys, just want to introduce you guys to Rango, my new bearded dragon. Let's see if it'll come off easily. Let's see how this works. Oh wow, this guy's nice. And show you guys him up close. You want to say bye, Rango? That's how Rango says bye. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment down below. I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a fantastic day.